Slimy. It was okay. Anyways, today I'm doing a rant on hard drive won't spin. This thief. He says, I was watching a video by Green Nations Creations. When I get there. And his latest video was Battle for Dream Island Official Character Guide. Just a note, none of this belongs to me. Okay, then I was scrolling down in the comments saying that, I found this guy, hard drive won't spin. And this was yesterday. He posted this video 39 minutes ago, and he posted this video on his channel 39 minutes ago. Wow, Green Nations Creation posted this video 2 days. That was a different time. Then PC, not PC, but basically, I was just reading. Then he said, I stole his vid. I told him that he doesn't even have any of my videos. Anyways, my second latest video, puppets.mp4. He stole that and renamed it puppets.vob. And let me go down to my inbox. Well, I'm pretty sure you saw this. He literally just says, I stole your vids to just now. Basically, this is an exposing video. So yeah, if you're watching this, and you know hard drive won't spin, yeah, just call him a nibba. Nibba. N-I-B-B-A. It's the best way you can keep my channel free, clean and free. Anyways, there's my rant. Goodbye.